Hi guys. Hi. Y'all are cute. Did y'all lay any eggs today? Yeah. Hi. Had to come back for a basket. Hi, Aunt Paul. Hi. 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 Hi, everybody. Could y'all move? Hope one is laying. Hi. It's okay. I'll let you lay. Maybe there's some eggs back here like they usually are. Nope. Hi, DJ. No, it's okay, DJ. Oh, okay. There's 1, 2. There's, yeah, can't reach that one. Hi, Pum Pum. Wait, you're No-Tail. Hi, No-Tail. I'm gonna let this do its thing. I'm gonna open it back over here. It's okay. Right, me? There we go. Oops. We're just going to put the basket over here. And this would be 3 and 4. There's no more in these. These are the morning layers. Alright. Time to check the duck eggs. Bye, guys. You okay? Alright. Bye. They will probably be down up in there. Here. Here's one. Super cold, so it don't have a baby in it. I would have kept it if I had a baby there. Now let's check on Pluto. Hi, Pluto. Hi, Pluto. You're sweet. How are your babies doing upstairs? Hi, guys. Alright, bye. Going to go check on the other bunnies and the goats. Hi, Cucumber. Hi. Come here. Come here, guys. Hi. Hi. Wonder if they had food. No stress. Put that there. Hi guys. Do y'all have food? Yeah, y'all do. Okay. Do the goats have any food? Hi, Billy. Hi, Lily. Y'all okay? Are y'all okay? Yeah. No food. Y'all might have already got some, though. Hi. Hi. Come here. Hi. I think we met all the animals up. Zoe, come here. Come on. Hi, Oscar. You're a good boy, Oscar. Yes, you're a good boy. They'll eat eggs. Do you want some when we get in?